when you're looking to buy a new machine tool, it's not just about the machine tool, it's about the whole process. Now, you've used Leadwell machines before, so your latest acquisition, the V42 AF?
Yeah, that's the Leadwell V42 AF, and it was bought because the previous machine I bought from Lead Machine Tools was doing the right job, and this one is just bigger and stronger, and it's really showing that as well. Yeah, we've got some D2 material in the past on a smaller machine. We've got the same D2 on that machine, and it's taking much bigger cuts, much more quiet as well. So it's a really powerful machine.
Okay, so in terms of the power, how much power does it actually have?
It has 18.5 kilowatts of power and about 100 Newton meters of torque, but it is really showing that power as well. It's a big plus spindle, so it's really nice and quiet machining. Yeah.
Okay, now the spindle itself, what spindle speed have you got? Because I understand there's some options.
Yeah, this one is 12,000 RPM spindle with big plus option on it, and it has true spindle coolant as well.
So you've gone the top option there.
It's pretty much one of the most top spec machine, yeah.
Right. So you say, so it's fast, it's powerful, it's rigid?
It is very rigid. Like I said, cutting D2 on it is like cutting butter. It's that easy, yeah.
So what makes it so rigid though?
I think it's the build of the guideways. It's not just the ball bearing, it's the roller guideways, so it's a much more rigid.
You're clearly delighted with the machine, but as I said right at the beginning, it's not just about the machine tool, it's about the whole sort of process. So why did you choose these guys?
It's a really easy to work with them. It's a pleasure to work with them. Whether it's a buying machine, whether it's a servicing the machine, any questions you have after installation, or the installation is very quick and professional. But I had exchanged emails with the application guy on Saturday all day, just trying to fix some issues with parameters on the machine. But it is really nice to work with those guys.
You sent him an email on Saturday. Did he respond on Saturday though?
Oh no, he was responding straight away. And also follow up on Monday, checking the machine in the stock they had, just to make sure that parameters are actually right. So yeah, it's a really full package from them.
Oh, so great service. Also though, now you're a relatively new company, but obviously successful because you're buying another machine. I'm assuming you don't have all the cash in the bank, so that's another sort of thing to consider when you're purchasing a machine.
Yes, they put me in touch with the finance guy that I use all the time, and this was, once again, as with the other machine, it was really straightforward. Like, I just put the amount I want to finance, and it was pretty much done. So yeah, really easy. Especially if you're going to consider that I'm only trading for 11 months. It's the second machine now, no problems whatsoever.
That's fantastic to hear. So going back to the machine itself, then it's like a knife through butter.
It is. Like I said, that machine is really good. I'm really happy that I went for that machine.
But you've got the V30 IF, let me just get that right, but it's not quite as fast, is that correct, in terms of the actual rapids?
The rapids are a bit slower on the bigger machine, but I can actually attack the material quite harder, so I can take bigger cuts, quicker cuts on the actual cutting parameters. So I can cut that D2 or any other tool steel much quicker, even though the rapids are a bit slower, but yeah, the cutting time will be still quicker.
Okay, so overall the whole package is, you've got a brilliant machine. The first machine was absolutely fantastic, but this is just taking the next level.
Well, I'll put it this way, if I would have enough money to buy another one, it would be standing next to us already, so it's that good, yeah.